Hey guys, watch me transform my hair from this to this and this. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I install these gorgeous Kinky Clip-Ins without any leave out. This method is perfect if you want a natural looking style with full coverage while keeping all your hair braided and protected underneath. So let's get started. So guys, I've already detangled my hair, so what I'm doing here is to section it and start cornrowing my hair. So this is about 12:45 p.m. and I've got school runs to do, so I'm looking at finishing this hair in 1 hour time, but unfortunately I couldn't. So I just tried. I was able to finish the hair around 10 minutes past 2. So just watch me as I do this. It is not easy to do your cornrow yourself. So I got this mirror from Temu. Actually, it's really nice and it comes handy whenever I want to braid my hair. So, but don't judge me, oh. My braid might not look so clean enough, but it is something, okay? If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me at Nwadinobi on Facebook and Instagram. Also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you guys. About my advert, please guys, don't forget to not skip that advert. Please watch the advert to the end, guys. Thank you so much as you do so. I said we got a problem. It's just a little bit In case you're wondering why I'm staring at you, it's just a reminder, okay? I'm reminding you not to skip that advert if you see it playing again. Yes, I'm talking to you. So, guys, I will admit that my hands started aching, especially as I got to the back. If you've ever done cornrows on yourself, you know how much work it can be. But I kept going, reminding myself that the end result will be worth it. If you're doing this at home, take your time and give your hands a quick rest if needed. It's okay to pace yourself. Okay, so once I'm done braiding, I went ahead to apply my avocado oil in my scalp just to get that scalp nourished and moisturized. I also went ahead to secure the ends of the cornrows with a bobby pin so that my hair will not be sticking out as I try to install the hair. So guys, this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's a straight kinky. Look at how shiny this hair is. So now I'm ready to start clipping this hair as soon as possible because there's no time. So now this is how it is looking. The only way you can open this is to press it like how you're seeing me do. You push it forward for it to open, and then you go ahead and start to clip this in your hair, following the lines you've already created, following the base of the hair. So I started from the back and worked my way forward. So once I got to the front section, I use a crochet pin to make the hairline look even more natural. So I slide the crochet pin under one of the front cornrows that you're seeing, and I grab a small section of the hair from the clip-ins and pull it through. This technique gives it the illusion of natural hair growing out of your scalp and completely hides the clip-in tracks. So I repeated this on the other side and the remaining side of the hair. This really made such a big difference. So guys, it's beginning to come together. So as you can see how it is looking, I went ahead to adjust it to how it's going to be looking. So once all that is done, I style the hair to my liking. I use a flat iron on low heat to lightly straighten some sections. So but I kept the hair fluffy because I love the natural texture. And here is the final result, guys. What do you think? I absolutely love how natural and full this no leave out style turned out. So if you're interested in these clip-ins, I will include about where I got them so you can check them out for yourself. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hair tutorials like this. So see you in my next one. Bye for now.